Okay, so hello everyone. Let's see another probable question that might be asked to you. See, they may ask you to define energy method to find deflection. I'm not talking about Castigliano, that is another story here. So they might ask you to write energy or strain energy with using or in the form of say force or movement or torque expressions in form of say using load, moment or torque. Now remember, strain energy is equals to 1 by 2 P into delta. When a beam is subjected to a single point force. Okay, so that's one you have to remember. Second, 1 by 2 M into theta. When the beam is subject to any beam, any sort of beam is subjected to a bending or external movement, and the angle of slope angle at that point is theta. So this can be remembered, understood, and it equals to 1 by 2 t into 5. See, t is the torque and phi is the angle of deformation. So this can be used over here. So they might give you an interesting sort of question. See, it will be like this. Consider a cantilever beam. Generally, we solve this kind of questions with use of moment area method. This is 2EI, this is EI, and load over here is P. So this is L by 2 and L by 2. Or for simplicity, we may consider it as L also. So for simplicity, we'll consider it as L. Okay. So now find delta. Let's say A, B, and C. Delta A is equals to. They may ask you to derive this with the use of any of three equations. Okay, so how we'll proceed over his C. We will consider two different sections. Two different sections. AB and CB. So for AB, we may write it as P over here. We may take X. So MX equals to P into X. Okay. And strain energy will be what? U is equals to integration M square dx upon 2EI. So this should be U is equals to P square X square dx upon 2EI from 0 to L. Okay. Now at P square, it's L cube by 3. So 6EI L cube. That should be UAB. That should be UAB. Now we will work out for section CB. For section CB, we will have to consider the reactions at the end of cantilever here. So this is simple, quite obvious. RC will be equals to P only for equilibrium, and there will be a extra moment at MC will be equals to 2P into L. That's L and L, 2L into P. Okay. Now we will see in the further slide over here. See, let's consider section CB over here. C and B. Okay. Now here it will be M at C and R at C. And if we take this as say any Z, okay. So MZ would be RC Z minus M suffix c. That should be p into z minus 2pl. Okay, understood na? So okay, now we will see over here. The strain energy stored will be Q is equals to Pz minus 2pl. Z I will denote like this, whole square into dz upon 4ei. Since given is 2ei into 2, so 4ei. So okay. So there is no further need of going into derivation here as such, because your steps you have taken are right. So those panel members will understand, you know, the concept very well. So you, what you will do is u total is equals to UAB plus UCB, which shall be equals to 1 by 2 P into delta. So from here you may get delta easy. Okay. So this was some out of box sort of question that might be asked to you, since we discussed it over here. So I hope you understood it. Thank you.